Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I am going to discuss about prepayments to your mortgage. So guys, before I proceed further, I would have to clarify this is my opinion that is based on my knowledge and research, and if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, we are seeing lot of foreclosures, we are seeing lot of power of sales. The reasons are quite simple. Those who purchased during the peak at low interest rate are like highly stressed because of rapid rise in interest rate. I would say the payments have spiked thousands for many within a year, and still like in the last announcement the Bank of Canada has not increased the rate, but they have not decreased too, and still like none of us know what's going to be the future. So, in that situation, while prepayments may not be even a thinkable option for many households, but those who have gone for fixed mortgage payment before the increase in rates kicked in, there is some scope that they should think of. Okay, so watch this video till the end as I'm going to describe various aspects and the details. So what happens with prepayment is whatever amount you pay as prepayment, it goes towards your principal, because this is extra payment you are doing apart from your regular scheduled payment. Maybe you are paying bi-weekly, maybe monthly, or whatever frequency you are doing. So it goes towards your principal. Okay. Now, if you really want to see how it really impacts you, what I would tell you, like you may have like online logging through your lender if you are from bank or other providers. I'm not sure about private, but if you are from a bank or else you can use online calculators, like go for amortization schedule. Okay, put the balance you owe, interest rate, and whatever the other criteria, and see the schedule. So what it's gonna show you, it's gonna show you like your next payment date and payment amount, how much is gonna go towards the principal, how much is gonna go towards interest. Now whatever is gonna go towards principal in your next payment, if I make equivalent amount of that principal today, let's say in my next scheduled payment, $800 principal plus $400 interest are gonna go out of 1200 payment. If I make 800 today extra, this 800 is gonna go towards my next principal. Okay, towards the next principal. Okay, now what's gonna happen? The interest that was associated with 800, I am not gonna pay because that particular amount is paid. Second thing, in the next payment, instead of 800, maybe like 801 will go towards your principal, because down the line, the more you payments you make, more money goes towards your principal and interest gets reduced. So how much you have saved? You have saved a particular payment for yourself. So this will not just save your interest, it will also save your amortization period. I made some prepayments and I got a letter from my lender who is a bank, and they have reduced my amortization period because a certain amount I have already paid. So this will help you even in the long term. A lot of people may not agree to this and they may say that okay, for investing money we have better options. Yes, I'm not denying this fact. It could be, and it varies case by case. But at this moment of uncertainty, that what's going to happen at the time we renew. Let's say I took my mortgage in 2019. Next year, in my mortgage is going to come up for renewal. I know at this moment nobody has a crystal ball to tell me exactly what is going to be the interest rate then. So what options I have? Keep paying regular payments and wait for the interest rate then, or try to reduce the amount I owe, so that even if so that whatever is the interest rate then, still I can make it better, because the less you owe, more options you have, right? You easily qualify, right? What if your lender asks for a, what do you call, appraisal of your property because of the downturn we are seeing in the market? If you owe a million at the time of your renewal and the value of the property comes 960, 950, what's going to happen? Can you imagine it? may hit you worse than you can imagine. So, in my opinion, as I said in the video before, reducing the amount we owe is always going to help me. Like, if I note down the benefits, benefit number one, I'm directly paying the principal. So, prepayment is like mortgage payment with 0% interest. I'm just paying the prepayment. Again, there's a limit, and banks generally have seen allow 15% every mortgage year, but you can always check it with your provider, your broker, agent, whoever you have this mortgage with. You can read terms and condition, and you can ask. For banks, even you can log in and check what is the amount you can do. So that's a great facility, so you always get an idea. So if I go for that route, like I'm gonna get this much money, so this really helps, guys. This really helps. And in this way it helps you better, because the less amount I owe, like for example, because I just cited an example that, let's say at the time of renewal, your principal remaining is a million, and your house value is 960, you can be in trouble. But because you made regular prepayments, let's say 1000, 1200, whatever every month, and you managed to bring your principal down to 900 or 920 or less than that, whatever, just example, you are in a much better situation. And moreover, like you can even negotiate also when you have less money owed, because you can always say like, I am making good payments, why don't I qualify for better rates? Even if you go to other lenders to discuss, like even if a broker goes, like your payment history matters a lot. And if they see that, yeah, you have been making good progress, then that's really good. That's really that's really good. Like, it's gonna show you that you have been making regular payments and prepayments, so even the next lender will feel some sort of confidence in you. Now, many people, those who don't agree to me, they say that, hey, this money we can invest somewhere else, maybe in mutual funds, maybe in GIC, maybe in other financial schemes that can yield better results. I'm not denying. A lot of people invested in cryptocurrencies at right time, and now they have become like multifold um, income holders. I don't deny that. But from a common perspective, like I have, or like a common man, I like do not take much risk, because I'm not in a position to take risk. If I invest it somewhere and I don't get the required results, I'll be nowhere, right? And again, like a lot of people, because of the high inflation, may not even be in a position to make additional prepayments because they are struggling to make their regular payments. That is also a reality. So that is why I said that it varies case by case, but if possible, go for it, because this is something that can yield a huge relief to you. That's really gonna help you. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys. I notified all the benefits, and even if rates fall, before I end the video, I will discuss one more scenario. Even if the rates fall, so what, there will be some interest rate, right? And the interest you are always going to pay on the balance you owe. If the balance you owe is down, still there will be a profit, maybe less than, because the interest rate is low, but there will be a profit, right? So I don't see any loss in this approach, and this may save you from falling into power of sale or other traps at the end of your mortgage, at the time of your mortgage renewal. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.